Guys, the doorbell just rang. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is, by the way, happy Friday. It's Friday. Probably won't be Friday when you see this video, but today is Friday, so happy Friday. And I just have a lot going on here today, so I decided that why not vlog, because I'm taking product pictures. I'm not gonna do a video that say how to take product pictures, because I don't see myself as a professional yet. But even though people look at my pictures and say they beg to differ, because whatever I do, I put my heart, mind, soul, everything that is within me in it. So they look good. If I should say so myself, they look damn good. But anyways, so I'm taking product picture, but I'll show you, but I wouldn't like create a video. But yeah, let me show you my little setup. And also we have an exciting package that we're waiting for in the mail, so we'll be sitting by the door, guys. I can't wait to share that with you, so make sure you stick around. But anyways, let me show you this little setup right here that I'm doing. So right here, if you hear background noise, I'm sorry, my daughter's in school, but I'm still trying to get my thing done. So right here I just have my little fur rug and some rose petal, and I'm gonna do some lip gloss and lipstick shots here. And as you see, I'm doing it by the window, but it's a overcast day, no sunshine, so I'm gonna be using my light. I have 3 lights that I'll be using. So this is my little setup. I haven't started yet. My head is killing me. I have a terrible headache. I just took 2 migraine pills, so I'm hoping that it stops soon. But as I say, the ball still have to roll. Plus we are doing a seafood boil today. I'm excited about that. I can't wait. So we're doing a seafood boil today, and I'm gonna also show you guys how I do that and the stuff that I'm putting in it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. But yeah, so that's all that I'm here doing today. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, okay? That helps with my confidence, so I can give you guys more videos. And if you're new here to my channel, my name is Tamika, and I'm happy to have you. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I know you all know all of that already, but yeah. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around, okay? Oh, and guys, if you didn't know, I mentioned it on my Instagram very briefly the other day. I try not to make it a topic, because I don't know, to me it's a big deal for me. It is very important for me, and I don't know, I just try to not make it a topic. But anyway, I did a surgery on my eye, on my right eye. So if you notice, it looks different, and it is still in recovery, so it's kind of red, probably a little bit swollen. But yeah, so super excited about that too. So now I'll be able to see properly from my right eye, as I wasn't able before. I'm happy. Yeah. Okay, so here's my little setup, and I just used some rose petal and this green little greenery to, you know, create some visual interest, because as you know, people like to see pretty stuff. And as I say, I have my little light, and of course a little natural light. And I took a few pictures. Let me show you what I took so far. We have that. Those are from yesterday, because I was doing another photo shoot yesterday too. So these are what I took just now. So, you know, my cute cat from the past. So that's just what I'm doing now. And I have some more pictures to take, but as I say, I'm not going to turn this video into how I take product pictures. I'm just doing my thing, because I'm just making up stuff as I go along. So But if you haven't been following me on Instagram, please follow my business page. It is Thebennettsclub. So don't confuse it. Thebennettsclub.co is my personal page. Thebennettsclub is my business page. So make sure you go follow me on my business page so that you can see all of this, and you'll definitely know about giveaways. You'll know about when I have new products added to the website, you know, and the discounts and all of that jazz. So make sure you go and follow me on my business page on Instagram and also on Facebook, Thebennettsclub. Okay guys, so we're taking a break from the pictures, the product pictures, and we are going to start the seafood boil. So I'm just here prepping the stuff, the corn, the potato, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you real quick what I'm doing, and then we're going to get the pot boiling. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Our corns and our potato prepped and ready to add to our pot. In our pot we have onion and lemon and vinegar and garlic boiling. So these are the seafood that we're using. So we have our crab tail, crab legs, what the hell am I saying, crab legs, and the lobster tail. That's why I made the mistake. So we have lobster tail, we have some scallop, and of course we got some shrimp. Ooh, look at them. So this is what we're doing today. Can't wait to yum 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 yum. They're still frozen, so I just put them there to thaw a little bit. And then over here our pot is boiling. So that's boiling. Our potato and corn and seasoning. So now I'm gonna prep the other seasoning for the sauce. So guys, here we have our seasoning that we're going to use. Is 1 onion, some bell pepper, thyme. I'm out of garlic, so, and now we're just going to blend. That's the sauce bubbling. Yes, honey. Yes, so the boil is coming on. See, I just add the seafood and the eggs. Yes, honey. Now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. The ship soon land. The boat soon land. That's Jamaican term for the food is almost done. But yeah, it's almost done. And our sauce over here, thick and nice. Y'all, this is it. I can't believe it. No. See it here, guys. See it here. This is a seafood boil. Yes, so my little egg and my little corn, my little crab legs and my little lobster. Yes, my little scallop. Nice it up. I'm gonna tear this up, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. Like, look at my bowl. This is what I'm eating from, because I had to get something big enough to hold my crab legs. It is so good. Everything is like perfect, cooked perfectly, seasoned perfectly. I'm not just telling it because I was the one who did it. It's good. I just brought my neighbor some. My daughter said that normally says she don't eat seafood, is over there tearing it up. So trust me, it's so good. It's so good. It's a shame that it is spicy, so TJ can't get any. It is really spicy, and I did not add any spice. It's just the seasoning, because I used the crab boil season, and it has red pepper flakes in it, so it is spicy. So I'm gonna finish my meal, and then I'm gonna go back to the product pictures, and I still haven't received my package, so I don't know if I'm getting the package today, which is sad. But we'll see. If I don't get it today, I'll get it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my food and then finish taking the pictures and wrap it up. Okay with me. Okay.
sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay.
Guys, the doorbell just rang, so I think it is my package. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Yes. There it is. Oh my god. Yes, Catherine Manning. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, she sent me a card. Oh my god, this is so thoughtful. Let's see what the card says. Keep going, keep growing. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Congrats on winning this amazing giveaway. I seriously hope that you love this gear and use it to elevate your YouTube channel. XO Catherine. P.S. I watch some of your videos and you're killing it. Oh my god! I can't believe it. That's just like so amazing. So amazing. Oh my god. Guys, Canon M50 Chromebook. Yes, honey, yes. Oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, this is gorgeous. It is so lightweight. It is gorgeous. Oh my god. This is a charging pack. My strap. And I think this is the battery. Woo! Okay, let's see what else is inside here. Oh, this is the mic. The mic. So this is a Rode video microphone, guys. Oh my god, I'm so over the moon right now. Like, that's all I can say. Over the moon, I swear. Okay, so this is what is it called? A dead gap or dead something? I don't remember what this is called, but this basically what this does is take out the wind sound from your videos. So like the R, S and P's, like pss, pss, it kills all of that, so that's good. Yes, honey. And this is a tripod for the camera. Yes, yes. And this is the lens for the camera. 11-22. Yes. Whoa. Memory card. Oh my god. And I think this is the battery that she says she loves. She love. Yes. So it's a 2-pack battery, so therefore I have 3 batteries. That is amazing. And this is, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a filter. Yeah, this is a filter for the camera. So, oh my god. Okay, so this is amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it up, set it up, and I'm going to end the vlog with that camera. So I think she said she set it up already, like put in all the settings. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna work for me perfectly, but I'm gonna try and see. So let me set it up and then I'll show you guys what it looks. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My YouTube channel is gonna be like 1 year. 1 year I've been doing YouTube, and I've been using this phone that I'm on now, Samsung S7. Now I'm finally gonna upgrade. My vlogs are gonna be, let me set it up. So this is it. This is a camera. You're seeing me on my new camera. Oh my god. So I swear it is crisp, it is clean. I can actually see myself. Let me show y'all. So let me show y'all what I'm seeing over here. So this is what I'm seeing. You see, this is the setup, my little tripod, and it was so easy to set up. And trust me, as you can imagine, I know nothing about it, but it was so easy to set up. I'm gonna go ahead right now and order the hard drive, the external hard drive that she uses, that Catherine uses, that she recommends, that she talk about all the time. So Catherine, I'm gonna ask you to send me the link, because I know I'm guessing you probably have an affiliate link, so you can send me the link for that hard drive, and I'm gonna grab it for myself right away. But ooh, this package is amazing. Thank you so much. I am going to put it to use 100%. I promise you. I just started my business, and this camera is going to help me so much. You can't even imagine how much this is going to help me to elevate my business and my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. It came at the perfect time, trust me, because I knew that I needed a camera, but I could not afford it at this moment. Thank you so much. So anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog right here, and y'all will see me again on my new camera. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know how the quality is. As I said, she set it up, but I think it's okay, and whatever needs to change, I'll do it in editing with color correction or whatever. So signing out. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.